17th of February 2024, IELTS Exam Writing Task 2, Evening Slot, India. If some people get a chance to choose between life without work and spending most of the time working, then they would choose not to work. Do you agree or disagree? In today's complex world, humanity is confronted with a multitude of existential inquiries that demand profound insights into the workings of the universe. Many contend that, if given the choice between a lifetime of toil and a life devoid of labor, most individuals would opt for the latter. This essay aligns with the perspective that favors this assertion. To commence, it is essential to acknowledge the inherent inclination towards inertia within human nature. Instinctually, individuals tend to gravitate towards paths of least resistance, favoring endeavors that promise gratification with minimal exertion. A contemporary manifestation of this inclination can be observed in the burgeoning trend among youths, particularly adolescents, who opt to monetize their leisure time through activities such as gaming, rather than pursuing traditional avenues like higher education and employment. This inclination underscores humanity's propensity to seek alternative routes to achieve their objectives, ones that require less arduous effort. Furthermore, it is evident that the equation of work with material prosperity is flawed. Despite dedicating themselves to full-time employment, many find themselves unable to transcend the confines of basic sustenance. This reality underscores the limitations inherent in conventional labor paradigms, where financial security and the attainment of personal aspirations remain elusive for a significant portion of the workforce. For instance, the traditional model of labor, epitomized by the conventional 40-hour work week, has failed to secure home ownership for many individuals, including the preceding generation. In conclusion, the supposition that individuals harbor a preference for a labor-free existence holds merit, rooted in the intrinsic proclivities of human nature. The recognition that diligent effort does not necessarily translate into commensurate rewards further fortifies this viewpoint. Consequently, the notion of relinquishing the yoke of perpetual toil appears increasingly appealing, particularly in a socio-economic milieu characterized by systemic inequities and elusive aspirations.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.